The next speaker is Maulana Mubarak Nazir, Principal Jamia Ahmadiyya, Canada. The topic is Allah as our protector.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون. He is Allah and there is no God beside Him, the Sovereign, the Holy One, the Source of Peace, the Bestower of Security, the Protector, the Mighty, the Subduer, the Exalted. Holy is Allah, far above that which they associate with Him. We have just heard a scholarly keynote address by Maulana Sahib regarding the steps we should take in order to protect our environment. There is no doubt that our physical environment is endangered. But we should also pray to the Almighty Allah that He should also protect our spiritual environment. Allah is our protector. Allah as our protector is a very vast subject. We are all sitting over here, and all of us in the universe, had it not been the protection of Allah, in a matter of seconds, we would all be gone. The protection of Allah is for those who believe in Allah, and even for those who do not believe in Allah. It is a universal protection. The previous speaker has spoken about the protection of our environment, the ionosphere, the ozone layer, the different planets, the different planetary system. It's a very, very wide subject. But let me also tackle how Allah Ta'ala protects His prophets and His communities. A special protection. How God the Almighty protects His prophets. If we look at the history of the prophets, we will see how God the Almighty protected Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, how the human progeny was started, How God the Almighty protected Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, the father and patriarch of the prophets. This incident has been narrated on and on and on, that how when he broke the idols, he was put into the fire, and how God protected him when he said to the fire that, "O fire, although it is your nature that you burn anything that is put in you, you incinerate anything that is in you. But now that Ibrahim is in you, Ya narukuni bardam wa salaman ala Ibrahim, that since Ibrahim is in you, you should cool down." So how God the Almighty protected Hazrat Ibrahim, how he protected Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. This story also we have heard, how Pharaoh was killing all the male children because he came to know that a person was to be born who would overthrow him. So look how God the Almighty protected Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Prophet Moses, that he made him to stay in the very house of Pharaoh. He resided, his abode was the very house of Pharaoh. And the mother of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam was picked to breastfeed that child. When Allah intends to protect, then He knows how to protect His prophets. He knows how to protect His followers. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, you all know, accidentally had killed an Egyptian. And when he was asked to confront Pharaoh, the Prophet Moses pleaded to God that I have done something for which I could be apprehended. But look how God took care of him, and look how God safeguarded him. Look how God safeguarded the Prophet Isa alayhi salam. How they wanted to put him on the cross, how they succeeded in putting him on the cross, and they wanted to kill him in order to prove that he was accursed of God.